Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DKSC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis in the past. That is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement chart, definitely needs some updates. But overall, the chart is, I don't remember exactly the last time I did it, but the chart has continued to creep upwards. So like I said, definitely updates need to be made. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line. Yeah, it pertains. It's just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's just try to keep this as clean as possible. First update, though, is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So from more of an overall sense, 004 is going to be that level of support you want to see hold. Preferably speaking, if the price can stay up above that purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average, that would definitely be a great sign of strength. I mean, if you just, let's go back to the chart's history. So yeah, ever since the price essentially woke up, when was that? Back there on December 14th. The price has never been down below that purple line. A couple times got close, but that has been doing a great job of just kind of illustrating and measuring the health of the trend. Meaning as long as the price is up above that purple line, the trend is 100% healthy. The trend is 100% in the bull's favor. However you can best visualize that. With all of that being said, though, even if the price were to break below that purple line, assuming you care about the big picture point of view, that is, the chart is still perfectly fine. I'm not saying this will happen, but just to kind of illustrate what I mean by that. Let's say the price were to break below that purple line, come all the way down here to 004, behave in that manner, and then start to work its way back upwards. Now, emphasis on big picture. From the big picture perspective, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have lows right there. You'd have lows right here. You'd have lows down there. I realize those are really bootleg stair steps, but picture those as stair steps. Within the big picture of things, the price would still very clearly be, making those stairs in the upwards direction and making progress forward, and that's what you want to see. So again, yeah, staying above that purple line would be great, but it's not a do or die level because you still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher stair step, even in the event if that level were to fail. As far as where resistance levels reside, nothing complicated here. The price essentially stopped going up right around 0.065. I get it, the price did technically go up above there a little bit. But generally speaking, the main point of price congestion up there at 0.065. So that'll be public enemy number one as the week plays out. But yeah, overall, the trend is still very healthy. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.